You want to talk about fighting?
Oh, wow.
You want to get rough?
Do you think I'm scared? Huh? Look at you.
Yes, it's killing me. I'm working hard, Chef. Next time, you're out.
Hell's Kitchen isn't just about cooking. It's a battlefield where one mistake can ignite total chaos. Watch Hell's Kitchen erupt as Ramsay loses it and chaos takes place.
What a night. Ladies, Ariel,
Yes, Chef.
first nominee and why?
The elimination room was tense, but nothing seemed out of the ordinary until Ariel stepped up and nominated Tennille and Lovely.
Who's the first nominee for the men?
They can speak for themselves, but they know who they are.
Then Ramsay turned to the men. He asked a simple question, and Joseph just shrugged it off and refused to answer.
Hey, smart ass, I asked you to tell me. Who's the first nominee and why?
The room went silent, every eye locked on the confrontation. Ramsay pressed harder, trying to get a straight answer, but Joseph kept dodging.
We sat down as a group, let everyone pick each other, you know? No peer pressure. We're men.
Just, what do you want, a f***ing medal?
What do you want me to say?
Suddenly, Joseph snapped. He started yelling, confronting Ramsay like nothing mattered. The elimination that should have been routine exploded into total chaos.
Now, can you just tell me, in plain English, the first nominee and why he's nominated? Is that clear?
That's clear.
Thank you.
Ramsay didn't flinch. He stepped forward, calm but deadly serious, facing Joseph head on.
I ain't no Jeff. I don't give a I ain't no
What?
I'm not no
And then Joseph went too far, daring Ramsay, even hinting at a fight. The whole kitchen held its breath.
What do you want me to say?
I ask the questions, you give the answers.
That shit, dog. I ain't here for that. You want a jacket? You want to talk some shit? Let's go step outside, mother.
Yeah.
I ain't here for that, dog.
Finally, Ramsay had enough. He fired Joseph on the spot. No warnings, no second chances.
You got no respect.
No respect.
Now get out.
All you all. You heard it?
Joseph stormed out, cursing, claiming that he didn't need Hell's Kitchen anyway, one of the most explosive exits in the show's history. Think that was intense. The kitchen's about to explode even more. This is Hell's Kitchen, and it's absolute hottest.
I gotta go with these.
Don't go up there yet, bro. The lamb's not ready.
Michael's lamb's not ready.
Come on, guys.
I'm waiting on the lamb, Chef. I'm sorry.
You're waiting on the lamb.
Yeah.
The service starts slipping fast. The lamb isn't ready, yet the Wellington is already being sent out, and the kitchen erupts in chaos.
I was waiting for the lamb, waiting for the lamb, waiting for the lamb. It's like medium. It's not medium rare anymore.
You need to go.
Yeah. Hold on. Wait for me.
Chefs shout over each other, waiting on the lamb as tension builds. Every second feels critical, and the pressure is suffocating.
Come on, Michael, a bit of energy.
Yes, Chef.
Terrible and embarrassing.
Then the plate hits the pass. Bones thicker than the meat, overcooked, falling apart.
Time out. Stop. The bone thicker than meat.
Ramsay snaps. Timing is ruined and every station is out of sync. Mistakes keep piling up and frustration boils over.
And if that's not bad enough, they're way overcooked.
Horrible.
Michael and Barry.
1 hour into service, not a single entree is out. The kitchen feels like it's on fire. Ramsay storms through, demanding accountability.
Don't slice the Wellington until the lamb's ready.
Yes, Chef.
And when it's together like, oh, you.
Chef, can I please come back, Chef?
He kicks the chefs responsible out, warning them if they step back into the kitchen, it'll be straight through the front door. The tension is electric. Every chef knows the stakes.
1 hour into service and not one entree out. You, for the last time, take him and him and get out.
The other members of the team rush to get the pieces in the meantime. Orders pile up, pans smoke, and pots clatter.
And let me tell you something. You come back downstairs again, you'll be leading through the front door. Now get out!
Yes, Chef.
3 of you. You, on meat.
Yes, Chef.
You, on meat.
Yes, Chef.
The lesson here is brutal. In this kitchen, Timing, precision, and focus aren't just important, they're survival. One misstep and everything can collapse. The lamb disaster pushed the team to the edge, but wait until you see how Ramsay reacts when a VIP table is at stake.
Fire straight after that. 2 chicken, 2 lamb, yes?
Yes, chef.
Dinner service was on fire at first. Orders were moving fast, plates flying out, everything seemed perfect.
I am buried alive in meat.
But then the scallops hit the pan, and suddenly the rhythm cracked. Over in the red kitchen, Jennifer was barely keeping it together, juggling orders and timing.
2 scallops.
In the meantime, Santos was overconfident and believed he had everything under control in the blue kitchen.
Welcome.
How are we, chef?
Let us spoil you for once.
Appreciate it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
The pressure cranked up even higher when a VIP table arrived. Big night, big expectations. Santos wanted to shine, but what he sent to the pass, completely ruined. Cold, sloppy, scallops that no guest would ever touch.
I knew it was too good to be true.
Ramsay didn't even need a word. One look and he erupted.
Then they just seep in shit everywhere.
Yes, chef.
Look, I got that there. I got that there.
He dragged the entire blue team over, forcing them to handle the ruined scallops themselves.
What are you doing, Santos? You're cooking like you're out of control.
I'll get it back together, chef.
It's the last 2 tables. Wake up!
Now! Yes, chef!
Get out!
No excuses, no mercy. Santos could barely speak. Ramsay's fury wasn't just about the food. It was about pride, standards, and the discipline that keeps the kitchen alive.
Santos!
Yes, chef, coming now with the scallops, chef!
Everybody learned the hard way. No shortcuts, no arrogance. Cold, ruined scallops? That was nothing. Next, watch the night that drove Ramsay to walk out pure kitchen chaos style.
2 minutes?
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Hey, Ariel, can you go up in 2 minutes? Yes.
Good communication.
The night started calm. Orders were flowing, pans were sizzling, and for a moment, it looked like a smooth service.
Save it to the end of service, chef. You're making me blush.
2 scallops, let's go.
Tennille was on fire. Sharp communication, perfect timing. Even Ramsay raised an eyebrow, impressed.
Good girl, Tennille. Somebody's woken up and smelled the coffee.
Finally, somebody woke up, he said, a rare smile crossing his face. But the calm was about to shatter.
I'm sending now 2 halibut, 1 lamb, 1 turbot. Yeah, I've got 1 halibut. What do you need? 2 halibut? I've got everything, but I'm dragging halibut.
Oh, shit.
3 minutes, chef. The pan's not even hot. It's not even sizzling.
Then came Van and his halibut. Frozen fish, cold pans, raw fillets flying to the pass over and over.
I'm going up, all right?
Yeah.
Raw.
The rhythm of the kitchen broke instantly. Ramsay stopped everything. The kitchen froze in total silence.
Just stop. All of you, come here. You especially. There you go. Yeah, it's gonna be a long night.
The mistakes didn't stop, and neither did Ramsay's frustration.
I don't know what is going on, but you've got to get a grip.
I'm trying.
You have got to get a grip. I can't send any more raw halibut.
Yes,
It's killing me.
I'm working hard, chef.
Next time, you're out.
After endless chaos, he did something nobody expected. He walked out. No speech, no second chances, just complete burnout. Even his sous chef followed.
Scott, come here.
Tennille tried to salvage the night, but once Ramsay leaves, control disappears.
Can't take it anymore. I cannot take it anymore. Unreal. Oh, that's the first.
The kitchen collapsed. Ramsay hadn't just lost patience, he had lost hope. And that's a wrap on the hottest, most explosive moments in Hell's Kitchen. If you thought the heat was intense here, make sure you hit subscribe and stay tuned, because the next meltdown will be even wilder.